Hello, my most amazing artist. I hope that you enjoyed the book, The Very Hungry Caterpillar. We are going to make our caterpillar next week, but this week we're just doing something super fun and super easy and super fast. So all you're going to do is you're going to take the dot markers and you are just going to place dots all around your paper, okay? I want you to do all different colors. I want you to be sure that you get to the edge of the paper and not just in the middle. So I'm doing lots of green dots. And then I'm going to get a different color. And you're just going to do this until you fill up your page. So I'm going to speed up the video. And I really want you to have a lot of dots around the edge because I'm going to show you what's going to happen in just a minute. So watch as I speed this up, and then we'll talk about what to do when you're finished because this is not going to take very long today. You can add whatever colors you want, but be sure to add lots of different colors and lots of dots. You should have more dots on your paper than you have white space when you're finished. All right, once your paper is covered in dots, you notice there's lots of dots on here, lots of different colors, then you're going to bring me your paper, and I'm going to do something to your paper. Let me show you. I'll give you a sneak peek. I'm actually going to cover up a lot of your dots, but that's why it's important to go to the edge. And next week, this is a sneak peek. We're not doing this week. But next week, you are going to get some little green circles, and that one doesn't have a lot of paint on it. That's okay, though. You are going to make a very hungry caterpillar. So when you're finished with your dots, bring me this paper so that I can get your yellow paper on there for next week. Now, when you bring me your paper, you are going to get to choose a coloring page, and you'll color the rest of class. So you may choose Mickey, you may choose Stitch, or you may choose Minnie. So I have some Halloween coloring pages. You will get to choose one. I'll put your name on it. When you go back to your seat, you will have crayons, and you will color super neatly. Sometimes I do a competition where the person who colors the neatest gets a Bagley Way sticker. So we'll see. We may do that. We may not. But you've got to color neatly and do a really, really, really good job on your circle dot paper, okay? Remember, the edges are important. And you can notice I overlapped some of my dots. That is fine. If you overlap some, that's fine. But you should see lots of different colored dots, kind of like confetti. Okay, have fun.